Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. So after my last video where the toner didn't work, I thought, you know what, I haven't got any more toners or anything in the house. I can't really get any, so we're gonna do pink. Pink fades anyway, so I'll eventually be able to go back to blonde. So we're gonna try this. This is the MANICPANIC hot pink hair dye. I've never used MANICPANIC dyes before. I did use a bleach, but I've never used one of their dyes, so I'm excited. It is vegan, semi-permanent, and apparently it glows under black light, which is quite smart. So it says shampoo your hair using deep cleansing shampoo and apply to freshly washed dry hair. So my hair is dry and we're just gonna get it on. So yeah, let's have a look. I am going to put gloves on as well because I do not want pink stained hands. I'm not ignoring the baby, Ben's feeding him. Oh, this doesn't want to open. Get that in there. Why does it ping that in my eye? No. So I've got a tub and a brush and I'm going to... Right, I'm going to do Aria's hair as well. Only at the ends. Wow, look at that. Okay, I've already got it on myself. I need some gloves and to better prepare, and then we'll come back and get it on. Right, I've got my gloves on. I've got a coffee. Decaf off because no fun. I'm just going to scoop out some. I don't really know how much I'll use. I imagine probably the whole pot, but we will see. So I'm going to section and just paint it on, and then yeah, I got this from the MANICPANIC website. I got this and the bleach, and I think I paid like £16. I put on the screen exactly how much I paid. But it came really quick, and that's like during this crap time that we're having at the minute. So they're still working from their warehouse, or I think. We're just gonna get it on. I haven't ever used MANICPANIC, as I said. I have used lots and lots of other bright coloured hair dyes, and I've had pink hair lots in the past. I think the most recent one that I used was Bleach London's, the big pink. That's a really nice one, but I did find that faded really fast. So I don't know what this is going to do to my green ends. I'm tempted just to leave them a little bit green. I don't know, we'll see. What do we think? Should I leave the ends a little bit green? I need like a better mirror so I can see, because I can't see if I'm getting the roots or not. No, I'm going to go over the green, I think. I'm going to go over the green. I don't know what it will come out like, but the green is really random in my hair. It's faded so much. I haven't bleached the green at all when I've been doing the bleaching on my hair. I've been leaving that. So that is very bright, and my bra is falling down already. Why is it? Like, I went to the supermarket yesterday and I wore some gloves, and like the whole time I was in there I thought I'd touch my face because I'm not supposed to. Anyway, I'm going to time lapse this. Aria, your hair's gonna be super pink. Behind me on the shelf.
Back your hair up. Back.
A little tiny bit left. I'm gonna put that on mine just to make sure it's.
What's your face?
Again.
Not again.
Please no. Why you have purple in your hand?
Pink.
You know it higher.
Yeah, get it and then fold it in half like that. And then wrap it round so the whole ponytail is. Okay, so it's on. Aria's is on. I used everything apart from that, which I'm just gonna like smear over my whole hair now, just to make sure it's like fully coated. I've done half of Aria's ponytail. Mika doesn't want her hairs done. I love the colour so far. I don't know how much of this brightness will stay. You're gonna have pink hair. Ah, spider!
It's on your shoulder.
Oh no, there's a spider on my shoulder.
It's Daddy, let me do
Yeah.
spider.
I'm gonna wrap my hair up and leave it, and then we will wash it off
No, I found him last night.
and see how it goes. I'm very excited. Okay, so it's all washed out and it's dried. And I absolutely love it. There's a few little like patchy bits, like it's darker on the ends than it is in the middle. I was saying to Ben, I think I would in the future get 2 tubs. I mean, 1 tub did mine and a bit of Aria's, but I was having to be really careful with it. And I was like panicking that I was going to run out. So I think just for my peace of mind and just so I could really saturate it, I would get 2 tubs next time. I absolutely love it. I'm really happy that I was careful and did it with a brush, so I've actually still got a part in, because normally I've just got a pink head or whatever colour I'm doing. So I'm really happy that I did that. But yeah, this is the finished hair. And we will see how it lasts. I'll put it in the description box how it's washing, how much is coming out when I'm washing it. I will do what they say and like wash it in cool water and see if I can prolong it as much as possible. But yeah, that is my thoughts on the Manic Panic Hot Pink. So yeah, if you like videos like this, please do give this one a big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very, very soon. And I'm going to build a robot.